Have you ever wondered where that delicious goat cheese or refreshing glass of goat milk comes from? Today, we're going behind the scenes to explore the fascinating world of modern goat farming and show you how farmers are using technology and innovation to produce more milk than ever before. Gone are the days of hand milking a few goats in the barn. This is the 21st century, and this is a goat milking factory. But before we step into this state-of-the-art facility, let's meet the stars of the show, the goats themselves. These aren't just any goats. These are specially bred dairy goats, selected for their ability to produce high quantities of delicious, nutritious milk. And just like athletes need the right fuel, these goats are given a carefully balanced diet, packed with vitamins and minerals, to ensure they stay healthy and produce the highest quality milk. But it's not just about the food. These goats get plenty of exercises, roaming freely in spacious pastures. Happy goats mean more milk. Now, let's step inside this impressive milking factory. Forget what you think you know about traditional milking. This is where technology takes center stage. The goats contentedly chew on the grass, savoring each tender blade. Their meal is slow and unhurried, as they enjoy the simple pleasures of life in this tranquil farm. The goats not only enjoy their time grazing, but also show affection and unity as they walk together. Each sheep is part of the flock, sharing the peace and tranquility of these everyday moments. As the afternoon settles in, the farm becomes even quieter. The goats continue to graze, enjoying the last hours of daylight beneath the clear blue sky. This is a life of simplicity, yet full of meaning. On this farm, everything is optimized in a natural and simple way. The goats approach the water container, where they can comfortably drink water from a homemade plastic container, a practical solution for farm life. This recycled plastic container is a cost-effective and efficient solution, providing clean water for the goats throughout the day. The goats sip water, enjoying the cool refreshment under the midday sun. With their refreshing drink finished, the goats are now ready for their next adventure in the pasture. After quenching their thirst, they walk leisurely towards the open space. One by one, the goats step out, embracing the fresh air and open space of the pasture. For the young goats, this is an exciting journey of discovery alongside their mothers. And here it is. Welcome to the incredible fusion of technology and nature, a state-of-the-art goat milking factory. Forget those old images of manual milking, because here, it's all about cutting-edge technology. This is the milking dance of the 21st century, a rotary milking parlor, a high-tech conveyor belt where our VIP guests, the goats, are treated to the ultimate milking experience. They stroll in, relax, and enjoy a fast, gentle milking session. Then they're free to step off and continue their day. Every detail here is meticulously designed, from the automated teacup attachments, ensuring maximum comfort for the goats, to the advanced computer monitoring system, tracking milk quality in real time. This is a seamless, efficient, and completely safe process. Sensors monitor each goat's milk output and health, ensuring everything runs smoothly and that every drop of milk is of the highest quality. From here, this fresh, wholesome milk, carrying the essence of sunshine, fresh air, and lush pastures, begins an incredible journey of transformation. Under the watchful eye of cutting-edge technology, every drop undergoes a rigorous pasteurization process, ensuring the highest standards of hygiene and safety. And now, through a blend of human expertise and advanced technology, this wholesome goodness is transformed into a diverse array of delicious and nutritious products, nature's gift, perfected for everyone to enjoy. Ready to deliver delightful flavors and essential nourishment to families everywhere. Now what are you thinking about? I am thinking about the kingdom of delicious, creamy cheeses from these drops of pure goat milk. Look closely. Millions of lactic acid bacteria are eagerly waiting to work their magic, transforming this milk into something truly special. Sure, this is where the magic truly happens. These secret techniques create the signature flavors of each cheese variety. And now, it's time for a little nap to allow those rich flavors to develop fully, adding depth and complexity to every bite. So, the next time you enjoy a creamy cheese or a cold glass of goat milk, remember the incredible journey it took from farm to table. It's a testament to the dedication of farmers, the amazing abilities of goats, and the power of modern technology to bring us delicious and nutritious food.